Hi, welcome to 33 Flowers. I'm your English teacher, here to help beginners speak confidently. Let's learn together and bloom with English.
English conversation practice.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. Are you busy now? A little bit. Can you help me?
Sure, no problem.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What do you want to eat?
I want a sandwich.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
What's your phone number?
It's 123-456-7890.
Do you speak English? A little bit. Are you tired? Yes, I need some rest.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you like reading?
Yes, I love books.
Where do you work?
I work in a shop.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Can you drive?
No, I can't. What's your hobby? I like drawing.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a blue shirt.
Do you like your job? Yes, it's interesting.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Frozen. Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Let's go to the park.
Great idea.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have two.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it's mine.
What's this?
It's a pen.
Are you hungry?
Yes, let's eat.
Where's the toilet? Over there.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, she's nice.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Can I sit here? Yes, of course.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking rice.
Where's my phone? It's on the table.
What do you want to drink?
I want some water.
How do you spell your name?
Anna. Anna. See you tomorrow.
See ya. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.